So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to create discount campaigns in Shopify. First, open Claude AI and look at the right-hand panel. Click on Projects to open your Marketing Hub and upload a CSV file of your current Shopify inventory. Next, type this quick execution prompt: act as an elite e-commerce growth marketer. Analyze my inventory and design a high-converting 3-tiered discount campaign for next month. Give me a catchy name for each discount code, define the exact percentage drop or bundle rules, and write a compelling 60-word promotional email for each tier. Pro tip: don't build these campaigns manually one by one. Download the Claude desktop app and hook up the official Shopify connector via your profile settings. Once active, just drop a quick command into the chat, generate the 3 discount codes directly inside my live Shopify store under the settings panel. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to create discount campaigns in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.